Y'all, we're going to be doing some test welding on those two pieces of that on the anvil. And I'm gonna see how this cutting edge is gonna work, welding it up to the piece of railroad iron. The small piece that I cut off, we're gonna see what happens. Now the first rod I'm gonna test is just a regular little bitty 1109, but we're gonna test it and see what it'll do. Y'all, them little old rods just ain't gonna be enough. I'm gonna have to get some bigger rods. We welded them. Now the impact coming down is good, but when I broke it apart, all that broke was the melted welding rod, and you could tell there was no penetration even when I heated it up with the torch. So I'm gonna get a bigger rod, and then we're gonna go from there. What I'm doing right now is doing the cleanup grinding, and the more y'all watch my channel, you're gonna realize I'm a big time artsy type of person. Now this is gonna be a usable piece of equipment on the homestead, but I'm gonna make it a work of art too. It's a lot of grinding, but that's gonna look real good. Well, y'all, this has been about 2 hours of grinding. Starting to look good. You see the difference. The one on the top I haven't done yet. The one on the bottom is the one I did. It's starting to look good. But that's about all I've got done today. I still got that in the grind. Good Lord, it's a lot of grinding. If y'all do this, your work's cut out for you with a grinder. It's gonna take a while, but it's getting there. Well, y'all been working on the grinder all day, and as you saw, that's what I've got done so far. I'm gonna give you a little hint. Once this anvil's done, this right here, that's a big old brake rotor. That's gonna be our forge. I'm gonna build me a forge as soon as this anvil's done. We're gonna build us a forge. I got the fire pot. I got the legs. I'm gonna pick up the pipe for the bottom of it. All I gotta do now is find me a piece of flat plate steel for the top of the table. And when I come across that, we're gonna tackle the forge.